Are you getting no views and no subscribers on your YouTube channel? Don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you the setting you must turn on right now if you want to grow faster. So let's go. The first thing you must turn on is custom thumbnails. Okay, you need to customize your thumbnails. Without this, YouTube will just pick a random frame from your videos. And let's be honest, most of the time it doesn't look good. A strong thumbnail grab attention and make people click and bring you view. So go to YouTube Studio settings. Let me show you. I just want you to go to YouTube Studio here. Okay, hold on. Okay, just typed here YouTube Studio. Okay, because it is very important. YouTube. On your browser, just do that. Okay, you see this first link, YouTube Studio, just click it. Okay, if you click it, it will take you to your YouTube Studio, and this is what you will see. Just like wait a little bit. So it is very important when you go to your YouTube Studio, you need to follow this. What you are going to do here is go direct into your setting. We have a setting here, this one. So click the setting. Under setting, you go to your channels. We have channel here, this one. So click channel and then go to features, future eligibility, this one. So this is very important for you. Okay, the first one is the standard features. Okay, but the important part is this one. Okay, let me move this camera here. Okay, the important part is this standard, intermediate features, because under standard features you can see this is very different one. So this one, if you are eligible, that's good, but what we need here is intermediate features, right? Find new way to engage your audience and build your personal brand with a wider set of features. And what we need here is how to customize thumbnails, live streaming, video longer than 15 minutes. But there are things that you need to finish first here before you customize your thumbnail. Okay, standard feature enables. Then you need to verify your phone numbers, and I'm going to show you in a minute on how to verify your phone number. Keep it in mind, you need to verify your phone number, in order for YouTube to allow you to customize your thumbnails, because thumbnail, it is very important. This is what will make you gain more viewers. So this is what you can use to attract viewers to click your video. So please follow this step. So I want you to go to YouTube and then type verified YouTube or something like that. Okay, anyway, yeah, YouTube, sorry, verified. So what we need here is YouTube verified, as you can see from here. So just do that. So here you can be able to see YouTube verified, and you have to click that. You need to put your phone number. It is very important. So without verifying your phone numbers, you cannot be able to upload a longer video or putting or customize a thumbnail, because thumbnail is very important when you want viewers. Okay, so you need to make sure that you verify your phone number. You just follow youtube.com and then /verified or front slash, so something like that. So let's get back into this. Okay, so you make sure that when you want to customize your thumbnails, verify your phone number, and then you customize it. After that, you can be able to come to your YouTube channel, and then you can be able to upload a new one on your YouTube channel, or you can even use these generated thumbnails on your YouTube. So these are very important. These are thumbnail which can allow you to get more viewers. So when people see this picture, it can attract people, so it will allow people to click your video. But for me, I just designed this thing, this thumbnails right here, and I think this is okay for me. But for you, you can do as you want. Okay, the second point here is next, you need to turn on keywords and tag. You need to go to your YouTube Studio, click on setting, channel, advanced setting, and add keyword about your niche. For example, if your channel about YouTube tutorial, put keyword like YouTube grow tips, how to get views, and small channel tips. This tell YouTube what your videos are about and have your video show up in search. Let me show you how you can optimize that, your keywords. What you need to do, you just go direct into setting here. Okay, under setting, you need to go to your channels, and these are the keywords. Okay, you need to put the keywords. It is very important for you. You don't need to copy my keywords or any one keyword, but you can still put what can work for you. So whatever your video is all about, you can customize it and put keywords there. So let me go back to let me just take you to my YouTube video here. This is one of my video that I just uploaded, this one, and it has 0 views. So if you come down here, you will see some keywords. So show more, you can go down here because this is very important. Okay, and then these are the keywords that I put, so you can customize yours. It is very important for you. It will allow you, to gain more viewers. So when people search for any video on YouTube, they can come across your video and then they can watch it. So third point is here, enable subtitle and caption. Third, you need to turn on automatic caption. Why? Because many people will watch without sounds and caption. Keep them watching longer wait time, more views. You know what I mean. So here we mean that you need to turn on subtitles. You have subtitle and caption. So when you are talking, someone can simply turn on the subtitle, and then that person can be able just simply to read it on the screen. Here you can turn it on. If you want, you can select the language that of your choice. Like if you are using English or you are using any language which is available here, you can put it there. So for me, I can simply put English so that it can display it. So you see that English. I can customize this and then confirm. Now you can see it right there. It is still under processing. After that, it will show whenever somebody watch videos, and then and you go direct into YouTube, you can turn on the subtitles and captions of your video, so somebody can simply read it even if there's no voice there or there's no sound. So number 4 point is you need to turn on end screen and cards. This keep people watching more of your videos. If someone finish one video and you show them another, you double your chance to gain a subscriber. This is very important. End screen, it allows your viewers to watch more. So when you upload video and that person watch your video, and up to the end, this thing will pop up. So let me show you. Under this video right here, let me click that video or any video of my choice. Okay, you can click any video of your choice. You just need to come down here under the details. You come down here and you need to see end screen here. That's end screen. Let me move this. Okay, that's end screen here. This end screen, you can just simply click it. So when you click it, it will allow you where you can add your elements. So these are end screen. So whenever a person watch my videos and then coming up to the end of the video, this video will show up. They will pop up, and then it will tell the viewer that these are based for viewers, or these are the most recent upload videos. So as you can see from here, even somebody can also subscribe, So it is very important that you need to know how to put the end screen. You can customize it. Let's say let me simply put something. Let's go back here. This is cards. Card is what you can show when video is playing. So let me simply put a card here. I can put it here. So when you want to put a card, you just click it, you go to video, and then you pick one of your video here and put it there. So you see here, when the person is watching the video, this thing will show up. As you can see here, how to upload on YouTube. I can add more if I want to, different videos. Okay, how to make money there. So you can add as many as you want. So this thing, they will show up under your video when a person is watching. Okay, let me put, okay. So that's it. Now you can simply save it and done. And then number 5, and finally, make sure your subscriber turn on the notification bell. But before that, you must enable all your notification in your YouTube settings so you can respond to comment quickly, engagement, make your channel grows. So here is one thing that you can do, when you want to, you want to gain more viewers. You need to make sure that when you are uploading, on your YouTube channel, there's something that you can change. And to change this key or whatever you can do here, you need just to come down here to show more here, and then go down. We will see something here. Okay, down under advanced. Okay, I think that is off for now. Okay, who can participate or comment on your video? This one you don't need to put it to subscribers only. You need to put it anyone that is watching your video can comment anytime. Instead of you put it to subscribers, when you put it to subscribers only those who subscribe to your YouTube channel. But we can still customize this though. Okay, what you need is just simply click this, and then any duration, as long as that person subscribed to the channel, that person can be able to comment. So you can simply save it there. So okay, and then that's it. Other than that, we can optimize is when we are uploading a YouTube video. Then you need to enable whether you want to notify your subscribers or not. But I will not suggest that. For a new small channel or new YouTube channel, yes, you can enable it. But for now, I'm going to make another video so that you can be able to learn that. And please, if you are new to my channel, I would like you to help me by subscribing, and do not forget to share, comment. Thank you for watching, and let's meet on the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.